Hi guys, welcome to another video. Right now, I've got GTA 5 for Xbox One, like that. The game's inside, and there's the manual, little booklet. Here's the map. It's huge. What I love about this game is you can play three characters: Trevor Phillips, Michael DeSanta, and Franklin Clinton. My favorite is Franklin Clinton. He's my favorite. The back of it is actually pretty sweet as well. I paid 15 quid for this. Now if I open the little manual, it tells you buttons. Put that back in there. On the map, you've got like different places where you go to. You got clothing, tattoos, etc., etc. So that's my GTA 5 unboxing. If you like the video, press like. If you're new to the channel, press subscribe and comment down below. Be sure to check out my up and coming videos. I'll keep you updated. Peace.